Hey, hello, hello, hello. Yeah, I just started painting. I got another job to do. Here's a basement. I'm going to show it to you right now. Basement. Yeah, I did some trim last night, checked it out. Everything's patched and ready to roll. This is a dark taupe in a lower bedroom, which drives me nuts because don't do this. Don't put dark colors downstairs. People need to see the light. Nice big closet in there as well too. Just getting around the corner. Had a couple extra patches today, but I wanted to show you what a huge difference it can be. They've got something built in here. I must have had a TV in there, and some of my cleaning, patching up things as well too. So this is a low ceiling, underground, not so great. Hey, here's another room. Again, lower level. I don't even know where to begin with this one, but again, a dark blue color, carpeted little kitchen in the side here, storage area, another closet, big space here actually, and we're storing some of the screens here. But yeah, I know I put up these little Japanese curtains. I thought might cheer it up a little bit, but they do have to come down for the painting job. And we've got a little schmear on the side, patching, ready to go. So when I'm finished with this other room on the other side I just showed you, then we can move some of this stuff around. And so we've got a little suite down here. Yeah, that's kind of neat. Suite set up for visitors who like to come in. We'll put in a nice little couch and table here, and coffee pot, and it's underground, which is not the best for a rental suite, but right now it's going to be for friends and family coming to visit. So anyway, take care. You too can have a feng shui day every single day. Hey, here we are a month later. I just wanted to show you the upgrade. Wow. This looks like a very big room now. That's the first one we did. Again, you can see how low underground it is. Very important to make this so bright and cheery. You got a nice flashy light up top. And I'll go into the next one. We've got some pictures coming in here. Got the drapes back up. Looks so much better. We're just starting to get some furnishings in here. The kitchen looks beautiful. We put a new light in there, and we're just getting a few decor items together. But this is all white and cream down here. It looks beautiful. We've got a nice rug. We've getting ready. Here we are. We've got a new grandbaby on the way, and we've got the first piece of furniture in here too. So this is going to be a lovely suite for their parents to stay. A little kitchen, and we found these cute little end tables, I guess, little Dr. Seuss style. We found them at the restore. Anyway, life is good. Keep moving on.